Hey there, Buy Smart family! Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, where dreams are made layer by layer. On my left, we've got the Speed Demon, the Comgrow 2024 new version Creality K1C, and on my right, the trusty sidekick, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. We're here to help you decide which one will take your 3D printing game to the next level. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes our wallets cry: price. The K1C is a bit like that fancy sports car you always wanted but can't afford at $599, while the Ender 3v3 SE is more like your reliable, fuel-efficient sedan at $219. So if you're on a budget and still want some 3D printing magic, the Ender 3v3 SE is your go-to. But hey, if you've got the cash and want to splurge, the K1C is waiting. Speed and efficiency. Who doesn't love faster prints? The K1C boasts a whopping 600 millimeters per second speed and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's 12 times faster than your average printer. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. On the other hand, the Ender 3v3 SE isn't exactly a slowpoke. It clocks in at 250 millimeters per second with 2,500 millimeters per square second acceleration. So it's more like your local marathon runner. Steady and reliable. Now, let's talk about how easy these bad boys are to use. The K1C is ready to roll right out of the box. Just plug, play, and print. It even has auto-calibration that saves you from the dreaded paper leveling test. Give it a tap and walk away. The Ender 3v3 SE is no slouch either. With just 3 steps to get started and a CR touch sensor for auto-leveling, it's like assembling IKEA furniture, minus the frustration and missing screws. You can be up and printing in just 20 minutes. Next, let's talk extruders. The K1C has a clog-free direct extruder that grips filament tighter than your grandma's hug. It can handle high-temperature printing up to 300 and prints with carbon fiber filament like a boss. The Ender 3v3 SE features the market-proven Sprite Direct Drive Extruder, which smoothly feeds PLA, PETG, and flexible TPU. It's like the Swiss Army knife of extruders, versatile and dependable. When it comes to smart features, the K1C is like Tony Stark's Iron Man suit. It's got 1 micrometer resolution AI LiDAR to scan the first layer and an AI camera to detect failures. It's so smart, it might just start printing your grocery list. The Ender 3v3 SE, while not as high-tech, does have a CR touch sensor and strain sensor for auto-leveling and Z offset. It's like having a helpful little robot assistant, just not as cool as Jarvis. Cooling is crucial for print quality. The K1C's upgraded cooling structure includes multiple fans to ensure minimal heat creep and instant hardening of fresh extrusion. It's like having your own personal cooling squad. The Ender 3v3 SE features dual Z-axis lead screws and linear shafts for steady motion and less wobbling. Plus, its PC spring steel build plate makes model removal a breeze. Just bend slightly and voila! Both the Comgrow K1C and the Creality Ender 3v3 SE have received positive reviews, but they cater to different needs. Reviewers praise the K1C for its high quality, stability, and advanced features, making it a great choice for those looking to dive deep into 3D printing. The Ender 3v3 SE, on the other hand, is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and reliability, making it an excellent entry-level option. So there you have it. The Comgrow K1C is the speedy, high-tech choice for those ready to invest, while the Creality Ender 3v3 SE offers fantastic value, reliability, and ease of use. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more awesome product comparisons. Until next time, remember to buy smart and print happy. Product links are in the description.